Sweet then, folks. I suppose this is the part where I should say welcome back to the Garage Travel Videos channel. I don't film many buses that's these days. You join me at the Transport for the first time in quite a few months, and a lot has changed. The 317 is now allocated doors. We have metro replacements today, which is why I decided to do a video. Other than that, I don't think much has changed. But you won't see any solos today. You'll see them instead. So welcome back to North Shields Transport Hub, I suppose. At present, we've caused a fuck up because the 319 is currently blocking the road because he doesn't have a stand. Therefore, the 354 is having to partially reverse out of the bus station to get out of it. Right, let's see what happens here then. 319 slightly moved, but it's too late now. Here comes the 354. Oh, tell a lie. 8344 first for Wallsend. And then 6198 for Newcastle. Might be a few instances in these clips of buses blocking others. But I am planning on being here for quite an extended period. But I doubt I'll be filming the whole time. Just storage constraints and stuff like that, which I still need to sort out. It's the main reason why I can't upload as much as I used to. As much as I would love to, I still have the drive to make videos. I just can't. Till I get this device problem sorted. Right. KXC for Jarrow. Well, that's it finally. Well, this is weird. We've got one coming in displaying Percy Main. I don't think so. Unless he's been pulled there for some reason. MSU 392. Which is supposed to be going all the way to St James, so I have no idea what to tell you. Ah, this makes sense. There's one right behind displaying St James, so I can only assume MSU 392 is so delayed it's being turned at Percy Main. Or being dead ran into St James instead of stopping everywhere. Either way, this man's decided to stand right in the middle of the road, which people do here all the time, and you're really not helping your case. I don't get why people do that. There's a path right here. It's not that much effort to cross a road and walk over to it, or it shouldn't be. Right then, LX58 CHD. Next, 5445, empty to Percy Main Depot. That's come off the peak time 307 run, which gets in here about 9:30 and then goes back to the depot having done a 353 and then a 307 to town, a 307 back here and then goes off. Normally a decker, but I suppose with the schools being off in North Tyneside this week, it doesn't really matter what they do. But that is normally a decker run. 8314 for Whitley Bay. One of the last two remaining NK10s, which I'm not old enough to remember them entering service as such, because I was too young, but I do remember them being around Newcastle a lot and watching them all the time on the key link, so it's a shame to see them go. There's only two left now and we've got one of them. Another jaywalker in the bus station. 6947 for Shiremore. And more. Fucking hell, never ends. Taking it nice and easy, new driver being learned, good to see. Right, second to last bus. The second bus is behind it actually, and then I'm going to call it a day. 5453 for Whitley Bay. You'll also notice some slightly posh cars in the transport hub from now onwards in these videos. They've invested in some new staff cars, 75 plates. Every depot's got them. A nearly empty YX21 RUC. I've forgotten which place it's going. It's either Cramerton or Killingworth. But that's that. Thanks for joining us from North Shields Transport Hub. I'm sure we'll be back here in a couple of months' time. The last time we were was October, and I'm sure we'll be back in maybe April, May, something like that. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one.